Roxy, can you say meow? Can you say special? Okay, hi there. This is Weatherman, KQI Global Radio. I'm gonna make a home improvement video. Stand by. Wait, I am standing. Okay, so the other cabinet in this bathroom was sticking out about here, and then it was like shorter, and I thought, well, I kind of wanted more room, so I bought this used cabinet. So as you can see, it's set back. And this part was the bottom part of the other cabinet. So the other cabinet actually came up to about here, which gave very little room to get between like the bathtub and the throne. So I'm going to do like a part 1 and a part 2. And the other sink is here. Now the trick when you do this is, see, I had to cut the hole a little bit bigger and more round for the drain pipe. And the trick is to not let water dribble out like it is, but you disconnect the water pipes and you leave everything on this, the old sink, and then you take the newer sink and then you transfer everything over and then put that on top with the assemblies installed, the water spigot and the drain, and sometimes you have to get like another rubber piece from the hardware store. So there you have it, part 1. And I've done several of these, but just not for a while. Thanks for tuning in. Dun, 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 dun. Hi there, this is Weatherman, and I'm reading the barometric pressure next to my new kitten. This is Roxy. Roxy Hart is her name. Look her up on Facebook. She's just waking up, and I'm going to do a quick video. This is a Weatherman. Yes. Weatherman here, and I'm blue with a duck. This is part 2, and I'm a poet, and I didn't know it. Yes, part 2. Whoa. Okay, yes, pardon my duck. Part 2, home improvement. It's still on the sink. I got this copper fixture from Martin's, and I bought it used, so I cleaned it up. Boy, that duck stinks. Holy crap, get out of here, duck. Anyway, this cabinet is higher. 3 inches higher than the other one, so I had to make some adaptations. Plus, the sink is not as deep as the other one, so I had to readjust. And the pieces of plumbing, got the air, exhaust or whatever, but I also had to take the cold air, lots of air, cold water. I had to loosen the spigot, so first I had to turn off the water main, loosen the spigot, put Teflon tape. Here we go. Got to have all my props in a row. And wrap Teflon tape and then turn it, tighten it to where it faces back. And also to make sure that it's clear. And so that the drain plug does not rub against the side of the pipe. So, there you have it. Part 2, installing a sink and cabinet in a bathroom. Have a good day. Dun, 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 dun. Pardon my duck. Oh, jeez.